And I know inaabangan din po natin no how we can maximize though magaganda talaga ang products ni Amare, we also want to know how we can how Amare can help us financially, no? Um as what Miss Stella mentioned earlier, Amare is actually a company whose owner is very much financially stable. Lagi po namin sinasabi na dito sa Amare, hindi kayo nakasandal sa pader, nakasandal kayo sa bundok. Okay, and the Amare compensation plan is actually built for your future. You only have to remember what three things in the compensation plan of Amare. It's strong, it's stable, and it's a business opportunity that is designed to sustain and be sustainable for your future, for you and your next generations. So there are five ways to earn in Amare. So the first one is we have what we call the retention bonus. So I will dissect each and every bullet points in this on this slide, and then isa-isahin po natin siya. No? So we have what we call the retention bonus, where you can earn 2,700 pesos for your efforts and 13,500 pesos if your team is able to duplicate kung ano yung ginawa mo sa kanila. You also get a customer bonus of which you can earn up to 10% on the purchases of your customers. And ang maganda pa po dito is we have what we call the rank advancement bonuses. Ito po ay designed wherein for each rank, meron po kayong makukuhang bonus. And this is really something to look forward to at the end of each rank, no? And then, of course, we have two types of bonuses that will help build the foundation of your success. This is what we call the balance and the infinity bonuses. And of course, we have the generation bonus wherein when you've gone up through the ranks, meron pa po tayong ma-earn na bonuses from the people under us. Regardless kung hanggang sa pinakailalim, no, nasa pinakailalim na siya. And you might not even know these people yet, you are still earning bonuses from them. So what do we do to begin? We start the business by signing up with our enrollment packages. So these are our enrollment packages. We have the Nitro Nutrition Builder Pack, we have the Power Builder Pack, we have the Nitro Combo Builder Pack, the Extreme Triangle of Wellness Intro Pack, and the Happy Juice Intro Pack. As what Miss Stella mentioned earlier, kilala po ang products ng Kayani, the Triangle of Wellness, to be very effective, and it has really helped a lot of people. And then we have the products in the Amare side, which is the mental wellness company. We have mental wellness product which we call the Happy Juice. So pag tiningnan niyo po siya, this is actually an overall um, it's it's an overall wellness product. It's an overall wellness package. Kaya what we recommend really is to get the Power Builder Pack because you will get a set of the Triangle of Wellness as well as the set of the Happy Juice. Okay? Now, before we begin, we just have to be familiar with the terms in our compensation plan. Okay, the first one is what we call the personal volume. So the personal volume is basically the volume na binibili ninyo para sa sarili ninyo. So usually personal volume is 100 QV. Okay? Ano ba tong 100 QV? What is QV? QV means qualifying volume. So this is the volume in which it's used to determine the qualification for ranks, commissions, and to calculate other bonuses. But much more than the QV, in order to calculate commissions, we use what we call the commissionable volume or the CV. Okay, so yun lang po yung tatandaan natin. We have the QV and then we have the CV. QV for ranks and then CV for commission bonuses. Okay, next we have what we call enroller. Ang enroller po ay kayo yan. Yung mga mag enroll na mga brand partners or mga tao na ilalagay natin sa ating team. Okay? And then placement sponsor is based on the placement tree. This means that when a brand partner joins the company, the person who introduced them, which is kayo, will be able to choose a location in your tree kung saan nyo po ikakabit yung kakasign up nyo lang na brand partner. We also have what we call organizational volume. Para sa madaling explanation to overall organizational volume is basically the volume of your entire leg. This is what we call the organizational volume or OV. Personal customer volume naman is the sum of the PV of a brand partner's personally enrolled customers order. Meron po kasi tayong dalawang ways to introduce the business, no? It's either through customers or through brand partners. The total QV or the total volume from customers going up to you is what we call the personal customer volume. Meron naman tayong tinatawag na personal team volume. So the PTV is the sum of the brand partner's own PV and the PV of their personally sponsored brand partners or customers. So everyone to na kayo mismo ang nag-sponsor personally. Okay, and of course, we have what we call the subscribe and save volume. So the SSV is something that I would like to stress on. Moving forward from this slide onwards, no, please always remember that being on SSV or subscribe and save will actually give you better bonuses. Ang subscribe and save po, para sa mga hindi pa familiar kung ano ito, is basically purchasing products using your credit card, tapos monthly po siyang na-charge sa inyong card. So meron po kayong monthly supply ng products. Why is it important? I will be discussing it in a bit. Okay? So let's get started. Before we dwell or before we go into the other bonuses, let us first understand what we call a career path or the rank chart. Ito po yung different ranks dito sa Amare. So, you can see on your screens that the lowest rank is a brand partner and the highest rank is a presidential diamond. Ano po yung nakikita natin dito sa chart na to? You'll notice that from the brand partner all the way up to the presidential diamond, kahit gaano na po yung kinikita ninyo, gaano na kalaki yung kinikita ninyo, your PV, which is your overhead expense here in Amare, remains the same at 100 QV. Hindi po yan tumataas. So, kung brand partner ka, your monthly maintenance or your monthly PV is 8,500. When you've gone up through the ranks, you become a presidential diamond, your PV or your maintenance is still at 8,500. Yun po yung maganda dito. It doesn't change regardless if you hit higher ranks. Okay? Now, in order to understand the remaining columns of the rank chart is you have to read it from right to left. Okay? So, ano bang requirements para ma-attain ang mga rank na to? Okay, let's first focus on the OV and the VOLL. Okay? Assuming that you want to hit the rank of platinum, the first requirement is you need to have at least 7,500 volume outside largest leg. Okay? So, meron kang base leg o yung leg na may pinakamalaking volume, tapos you have a total of small legs. Also pala, ang maganda po dito sa Amare is you can build your business as wide as you want and as deep as you want. Because ang determining factor ng bonuses natin would be the base leg, which is the leg that has the biggest volume, and then the total of all small legs or the volume outside the largest legs. So, i-combine po yon. So, going back, if, for example, your aim is platinum, you need to have at least 7,500 QV volume combined dun sa mga maliliit mo na legs. And then you have to just fulfill whatever is the difference to reach 15,000, which is another 7,500. Ganun po ang pag-intindi sa rank chart. Please always remember that you need to check your volume outside largest legs volume first para mas madali nating makompute kung anong rank yung may hit natin. Now, if you'll notice, from silver all the way to presidential diamond, merong mga requirements na ranks sa ilalim ng personally sponsored leg ninyo. So, if you want to aim for platinum, you have to make sure that you have 2 bronze on any of your legs. At least may dalawang bronze. Isang bronze sa isang leg, tapos isang bronze sa the other leg. So yun po yung kailangan nating tandaan. Anyway, we will be giving you a copy of the career path chart para you can understand it, go through it, browse it some more para you can also do your own computation. Now, since we are still in the transitioning phase from Kayani to Amare now, Amare is generous enough to give us what we call a new launch special program. Ano ba itong new launch special program? Instead na bubuuhin ninyo ang requirement ng volume outside largest leg. Sorry, hindi nagne-next yung slide ko. Sorry. Ayan. So from June to August 2025, hindi po buo ang requirement ng outside largest leg ninyo. So if you'll notice when we go to platinum, yun yung example natin kanina, originally ang volume outside largest leg ng platinum is 7,500. But from June to August of this year, you are only required to fulfill 4,500 volume outside largest leg. Okay? And then come September to November, it's going up to 6,000, and by December, kailangan niyo nang i-fulfill yung talagang requirement, which is 7,500. Okay? Now, let's go on to the first type of bonus, which we call the Me and 3. Ano ba itong Me and 3? Explain ko na lang po ng mas madali siyang intindihin, no? So, you, as the enroller, you have to be on Subscribe and Save. Maghanap lang po kayo ng tatlong brand partners who will also be on Subscribe and Save. You will earn 2,700 pesos. Outright bonus yan. Now, if yung tatlo na to na inisponsoran mo goes on Subscribe and Save, goes on Subscribe and Save, next month and the month succeeding, may makukuha po kayong additional 2,700 pesos, which we call personal retention bonus. So meron ka on the first month, and then meron ka each month thereafter, as long as they are an active Subscribe and Save. Now, what happens if these three people also looks for their three people that they personally sponsor, and the three people that they sponsored also go on Subscribe and Save? You are again entitled to earn an additional 13,500 pesos additional bonus if this happens. So this is the power of duplication, this is the power of sharing, this is the power of retention. Ang me entry lang po is you only get it once per month. So doon lang siya iikot sa tatlo. So kung makahanap ka ng anim, doon pa rin siya sa tatlo, the first three mo na ibabayaran ka for the me and three bonus. Pero ang mga tanong po kasi sa amin kanina is, what if magaling ako mag-recruit? For example, naka-recruit ako ng 50 people or naka-recruit ako ng 60 people in 1 month. Sayang naman yung me and 3. Yes and no. Kasi the me and 3 pays you for the first 3 lang, di ba? But there is what we call the product pack bonus. Ano ba itong product pack bonus? So the product pack bonus simply means that every time you enroll a brand partner, you get 20% from the CV of the package na kinuha nila. Okay? So sorry, wait lang po. I'll just remove the annotation ha, para hindi po siya nakaharang. Okay. So for example, dito sa screen na nakikita ninyo, as I've mentioned, if you are the enroller, you are entitled to 20%. Now, using the Nitro Nutrition Builder Pack as an example, the Nitro Nutrition Builder Pack has 500 CV. So what we do is 500 CV times 20% times 54 is equal to 5,400 pesos. So that is what you will get each time you sponsor a brand partner with a Nitro Nutrition Builder Pack. Now, going back to the example na na-raise kanina, kung meron kang 50 tapos na ikaw lahat ang sponsor nun, you will earn an additional, that's 54 times 50, 270,000 pesos. That's on top of the Me and 3. But the product pack bonus is only paid once pag nag-sign up lang yung brand partner. Now, you may ask, paano naman yung upline nung nag-enroll? May makukuha din ba? Yes. So from the enroller to the next silver upline, so enroller, yung nag-sponsor ng enroller, yung nag-sponsor dun sa nag-sponsor, up to the next silver. Okay, dun sa next silver rank na yon, that silver is actually entitled to 10% of the CV of the package na kinuha ng brand partner. So 500 CV times 10% times 54, that silver gets an additional 2,700 pesos. But it doesn't end there. So the system looks again to the next leader and above. The leader and above is entitled to 5% of the 500 CV from the Nitro Nutrition Builder Pack. So that leader is entitled to get 1,350 pesos. Nakikita po ba natin yung beauty ng product pack bonus? Ang maganda po sa product pack bonus, it is paid weekly. So kung magaling kayo mag-sign up, if you're able to sign up 50 new brand partners with, say, the Nitro Nutrition Builder Pack, you have about 270,000 the next week on top of the Me and 3, on top of the other bonuses. Okay? Do we have any questions so far tungkol sa product pack bonus and then sa Me and 3? You can leave questions in the chat po if you have, huh? Okay. So seeing none, we move forward to the next type of bonus, which we call the customer bonus. So the customer bonus has two types of tiers, the 5% and 10% bonus. So you earn 5% of your customers' purchase if the total of the customer's purchase is 1 to 999 CV purchases, or let's say 11 Happy Juice packs. So these are 11 customers. Kung meron kang 11 customers purchasing a Happy Juice, you will get on top of everything 2,643.30. If you're able to look for 12 customers purchasing the Happy Juice, you get an additional 5,767.20. Now, if every month they purchase Happy Juice, yung 12 na yon, then you will get every month an additional 5,767 pesos, 0.20 pesos. Okay? But, and as some of you might see this na parang hindi siya masyadong malaki. Yes, but the volume of the customer actually goes up to you, which will then be added to the balance bonus and then the infinity bonus. Okay? Malaki po kasi ang chunk ng bonus from the balance bonus and from the infinity bonus, especially if you have customers and you have brand partners. Now, ano ba tong balance bonus na sinasabi ko? So, the balance bonus is part of the two types of bonuses that I mentioned earlier that is basically the foundation of your Amare bonuses. So the first one is the balance bonus. Ang balance bonus is a bonus that's computed using the volume of your combined leg. So looking at the example here, assuming that on your base leg you have 25,000 CV. Again, we're talking about CV because this is commissions. So you have 25,000 CV on your base leg, and your combined leg, sabihin mo natin may dalawa kang leg, tatlo yung legs mo, yung two smallest leg mo has 5,000 and 10,000. So what do we do first? We need to check first kung ano yung rank na na-break ninyo. So you have 25,000 CV on your right and then a total of 15,000 on your left. So that gives you a total of 40,000. But the first thing we need to identify first is ano yung volume outside largest leg. So 15,000. Let's look at the chart. 15,000 from June to August is for senior leader. Pero ang required overall volume or the organizational volume is 50,000. 40,000 lang yung volume na compute dun sa example na yon. So we go one rank lower. Okay? So we compute at the rank of leader. The rank of leader is computed at 12% of the CV of the combined legs. So how is it computed? So 12% of the 15,000 CV multiplied by our conversion rate, which is 54 pesos to a dollar, that's equal to 97,200 pesos. Okay? So again, the balance bonus is the bonus that's used to compute for the volume outside largest leg, the combined volume outside largest leg. Now, some of you may ask, paano naman yung base leg? Ano yung computation nun? We have now what we call the infinity bonus. The infinity bonus is paid in addition to all other commissions. Now, the infinity bonus, same as the balance bonus, meron din po siyang tiers and percentages kung paano siya i-compute. So, as we know, we were able to, that example was able to hit the rank of leader. So, that leader has 0.75% of the CV dun sa base leg naman. So the volume of the base leg is 25,000 pesos. So you earn 0.75% of 25,000 times 54, which is 10,125, plus the bonus that we get from the balance bonus, which is 97,200. Actually, ang technique lang po dito is you have to make sure in order to maximize this, you always have to have a balanced leg. When you have a balanced leg, you'll make the most out of the balance and infinity bonuses. My question po dito, our customer volume won't be included on our personal 100 volume. Does the customer volume count towards the 100 personal volume? Okay. From the question po of Sir Gerald, sorry. We will have to look into this no, but from what our understanding, it actually goes up to your personal volume. Yes. Okay po. Do we have other questions? May tanong po ba tayo sa balance bonus and then the infinity bonus? The balance bonus and then the infinity bonus is paid monthly po. So if you're able to break rank, kasi since it's computed at the end of the month, it will be paid the 15th on the 15th of the next month. Ang weekly lang po natin is the product pack bonus. The rest of the bonuses are all paid monthly. Do you have any other questions po before I discuss the the check match bonus? Wala naman. If a customer orders a product, their purchase example is 70 volume, is it included to our 100 personal? Hmm? We'll just look into this, sir, no? Pero from what our understanding kasi, it goes up to your personal, so yes, it's counted to your personal na 100. Okay, so do we have any other questions po? We'll get back to you on this, Sir Gerald, no? We'll get in touch with you po. Thank you. Okay, but then again po, no, we encourage everyone to be on subscribe and save. Kasi, as I explained earlier during the in-person discussion of the compensation plan, since the product pack bonus is paid weekly, we have to make sure that all of our volumes, the 100 PV, is in the system, if not the first day, at least the first week of the month. Because if you're able to look for a lot of people that you signed up on the third or fourth day of the month, tapos hindi kayo nakapag-put in ng 100 PV, lahat po ng production for that week, hindi po siya mapipay out sa inyo. Because the system was not able to read any volume that's credited to your account. So please don't forget. I know since this in the succeeding months you're all going to be busy with your Amare business. We don't want you to forget to put in that 100 PV. So please make sure that you go on subscribe and save para hindi nyo na po siya aalalahanin. It's one less thing to worry about para sa paggagawa ninyo ng business. Dire-diretso na po. Okay? So I just wanted to uh, base leg zero after cutoff. Yes po, all legs are back to zero after cutoff. Yes, sir, Mike. So, nag-zero out po ang ranks natin, ang volumes at the end of every month. Okay? Sige lang po, if you have any questions, please feel free to type it in the chat and then we will address it as soon as we read it. Okay? The next type of bonus naman is what we call the check match bonus. So as you go up the ranks, um, you're able to hit the rank of platinum, leader, senior leader, even up to diamond. And then from the rank of platinum all the way to presidential diamond, you are entitled to what we call the check match bonus. Ano bang ibig sabihin nitong check match bonus? So if you're a platinum and above, meron kang generations na na-open. So for example, in this chart here, you can see na yung pinakatuktok niya is actually a diamond. And then when we go to the chart here, the diamond is eligible for up to 6 generations. Ano ba tong generations na sinasabi ko? So one generation means that from you up to the next platinum, lahat ng silver and gold doon, you will earn a percentage depending on the generation kung saan sila nag-fall. Okay, let me explain this. If you will just look in the chart here, as I hover through with my cursor, lahat po ng purple is first generation. Kasi wala pang platinum sa ilalim na yan. So each leg is actually an enrollment leg. Okay? Siya ang personally sponsored niya tong mga to. Personally sponsored niya to, ito. Tapos yung mga tao sa ilalim are all personally sponsored by the upline. So if you'll notice, there's a platinum here and then there's a platinum there. So by definition, a generation starts from you down to the next platinum. So if we look at this line here, itong purple na to, this one, and that, wala po silang platinum sa ilalim. So hahanapin niya lahat ng gold at saka silver sa mga linya na yan, and then the balance bonus of those silvers and those golds, meron kang 10% as diamond. Okay? So kung lahat to, for example, just out of exaggeration, lahat to gold or lahat to silver, you're eligible for 10% of the balance bonus ng lahat ng yan. Kung lahat ng yan gold ay silver. Next, we see that there is a platinum here and then a platinum there. Lahat naman po ng gold and silver sa ilalim ng platinum na yan, you are eligible for 20% since that is already the second generation. Okay? So palalim po, nag-iiba ang percentage na nakukuha ninyo depending on the generation that you are able to open or kung gaano kalaki yung network ninyo. Kaya po sinasabi ko kanina, pag masyado ng malaki yung organization ninyo, you won't even know the people under your team because these are people who are sponsored by your personally sponsored downline. And yet, there's a certain percentage that still goes up to you. So ang a strategy lang po dito is make sure that you also look for the people that you will personally sponsor under you para dumami at dumami ang mga tao sa ilalim under your sponsor line. Okay? I hope that's clear po. If you have any questions, again, the chat box is open. Please feel free to ask your questions there. Okay? And now we come to one of the more exciting bonuses in Amare. This is what we call the Road to Leader and Rise to Reward. Ano bang ibig sabihin ng Road to Leader? So Road to Leader bonus comes in 3 different tiers: silver, gold, and platinum. Each time that you break or you reach these ranks 4 out of 6 months, you will earn these bonuses: 27,000 for gold, silver, 54,000 for gold, and 108,000 for platinum. Let me expound. For example, you have January, February, March, April, May, and June. Okay? You were able to hit silver January, February, April, and May. Kuha nyo po yung 27,000. Okay? Kasi you were able to hit it 4 out of 6 months. Question, kailan magsa-start yung pagbibilang ng 6 months? The 6 months starts after you hit the rank of silver. Okay? Kung na-hit mo yung rank ng silver ng January, that's your first month. So January, February, March, April, May, June. Okay, another question. Lance, what if for example, masyadong malaki yung team ko? Hindi ko na nadaanan yung silver, hindi ko na nadaanan yung gold. Nadaanan ko na lang yung platinum. So platinum, 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 platinum. You will get the 27,000 for silver, you will get the 54,000 for gold, and you will get the 108,000 for platinum. Combined bonuses po yung tatlo. If you're able to advance to platinum agad and you're able to hit it 3 more times for a total of 4, then you get the 3 bonuses under the Road to Leader category. Okay? May nagtanong naman po kanina, what if for example, Again, January to June, silver, silver, gold, gold. Ano bang mangyayari dyan? You will get the 27,000 for silver, pero meron ka ng, sorry po, wait lang po, sorry. For a while lang po ha. Sorry, wait lang po. Okay, so going back, I'm so sorry about that. For example, yun nga, silver, silver, gold and gold, kuha niyo po yung silver. Pero, ang maganda po dyan is since you're able to hit gold twice already, meron na kayong chance na dalawa na lang ang hihit ninyong gold. So, the first gold starts, the countdown is mag-start dun sa first gold nyo. Okay? Clear po ba? So far, clear po ba ang Road to Leader bonus natin? Okay, mukhang wala naman pong questions, no? Okay, we move on to what we call the rise and reward. So, after the rank of platinum, meron pa po tayong several ranks from leader all the way to presidential diamonds that when you're able to hit these ranks 3 out of 12 months, you will earn the rewards shown on screen. So, for example, if you're able to hit the rank of leader 3 out of 12 months, you will get an additional 162,000 pesos. Say, for example, if you're able to hit the rank of leader 4 months, okay, 4 months po, no? Kuha nyo yung 162,000, kuha nyo din po lahat ng bonuses under Road to Leader. Since mas mataas yung na-hit ninyong rank from all the three that's under the Road to Leader category. Same with all the other bonuses in this slide. If you're able to hit the rank of Diamond 3 out of 12 months, then you get all the bonuses from Diamond all the way down. Okay? So I hope that's exciting for everyone because it is very exciting talaga and this is something that we really look forward to. Now, once you've decided to join Amare, you will also see that in your back office you will have what we call the special launch business promotions. We have what we call the bundle and save. The bundle and save is a promo wherein bibili ka ng pack, tapos pag gusto mong dagdagan yung products na yon, discounted na yung products na idadagdag ninyo sa bundle na nakuha ninyo. There is also what we call the power of one. So if you sponsor one brand partner, one customer within or before the 15th of the month, you will get a product credit worth of 3,510 pesos. Meron din tayong tinatawag na refer a friend. Refer a friend is basically you send your unique link to them, your Amare link to them, and if they purchase 2,200 pesos or more, that friend of yours gets 540 pesos off. And then of course, we have what we call the subscribe and save program. Etong subscribe and save rewards program naman, every time na nakasubscribe and save ka, every month na yan, may naiipon tayong points which we can redeem in the future. Okay? So I hope that's very exciting for everyone and sana may natutunan po tayo. We'll be more than happy to do another training if you want a refresher or if you have any questions. Please feel free to ask them now. Thank you po. If may mga tanong po tayo, we can unmute and then we can type our questions in the chat. Sana po malinaw naman. If you have any questions after this and then may na-realize kayo na, ay, nakalimutan kong itanong, you can always contact our customer service and then we can have another training like this. So if there are no more questions, Ms. Stella, I give back to you the mic. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Lance. And we appreciate the questions that came in. Rest assured po na ang mga leaders ninyo ay nakinig ding mabuti kanina nung discuss po natin sa kanila. So if you have questions later on, you can also ask them, or just like what Lance said, we can, provide that answers to you. Just contact our customer service team. So maraming salamat po for taking the time to join us tonight. And we look forward to seeing everybody in person. Sana magkita-kita tayong lahat sa lalong madaling panahon. And I hope you guys make a decision as soon as possible to join us in this journey and in this advocacy. This is more than just a business. This is a legacy that you're building on, and this is a company that is actually fostering a happy community. So sana po magkita-kita tayo at sana po makita ninyo yung value at yung opportunity na pwede ninyong makuha dito sa ating Amare business. So thanks everyone. Thank you to all the leaders who joined in. Thank you very much for taking the time to join us tonight. Have a great evening, everybody. We hope some of you can join us also later with the call with our chairman, Mr. David Chung himself. Okay, bye-bye. Have a great
Thank
evening.
you. Bye, everyone.
Bye.